Nta Ijebu Ode, the heritage station, currently transmitting to the general public with clear signals on digital StarTime platform on channel 103. For efficient and effective media coverage, Nta Ijebu Ode is also on all social media handles such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to give you TV experience on the go. For maximization of viewership, the station provides platform for its streaming viewers, individuals, corporate entities, and advertisers to advertise goods and services, as well as showcase events ranging from valedictory service or graduation ceremony for schools, inter-house sports, excursion to Nta Ijebu Ode, cultural day, reunion anniversaries, birthdays, wedding engagements, burial ceremonies, and other social events with wider range that cuts across different demography, either age, religion, and so on. Nta Ijebu Ode is poised to serve you the best by showcasing your school activities at a discounted rate. Seize this golden opportunity by partnering with Nta Ijebu Ode to advertise your educational institution aimed at boosting your image and patronage. For further information, advert and booking placement, please contact Nta Ijebu Ode Marketing Department on 0802 941 1473 or 0902 206 0894. You can equally visit our station Nta Ijebu Ode located at Television House, Erunwa Road, GRA, Ijebu Ode, Ogun State. Nta Ijebu Ode, broadcasting at its